Unlock the secrets to speaking English like a native. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beautiful journey of learning English. Today, we're tackling a fascinating topic that many of you have asked about: how to speak like a native. This concept isn't just about having an extensive vocabulary or perfect grammar. It's about sounding natural, confident, and comfortable in your conversations. So, if you've ever wondered what it takes to master this skill, you're in the right place. Let's get started. When we say, speak like a native, we're talking about more than just pronunciation or the ability to construct grammatically correct sentences. It's about understanding the culture, idioms, slang, and subtle nuances of the language. It means being able to express yourself in a way that feels natural and effortless to both you and the listener. Language and culture are deeply intertwined. To truly speak like a native, you need to have a grasp of the cultural context behind certain expressions and phrases. This includes understanding humor, historical references, and the social norms that influence how language is used. Immersing yourself in English-speaking cultures, through media, books, or conversations with native speakers, can significantly enhance your language skills. Pronunciation and intonation play crucial roles in sounding like a native. It's not just about the accuracy of sounds but also the rhythm and musicality of the language. Listening to native speakers and mimicking their speech patterns can be incredibly beneficial. Pay attention to the stress, rhythm, and pitch in their sentences, and practice replicating these elements in your own speech. One of the hallmarks of a native speaker is the use of idioms, slang, and colloquial language. These elements add color and authenticity to your speech. However, they can also be the most challenging to learn, as they often don't make sense when translated literally. The key is exposure and practice. Try to incorporate them into your conversations and don't be afraid to ask for explanations when you encounter new expressions. Active listening is a powerful tool for language learning. By focusing on understanding the speaker and the context of the conversation, you'll pick up on the nuances of native speech. Pair this with speaking practice, ideally with native speakers, and you'll start noticing improvements in your ability to express yourself naturally and confidently. Speaking English like a native is a journey that requires patience, practice, and a deep dive into the cultural aspects of the language. Remember, it's not just about perfection but about authenticity and comfort in your speech. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and strategies to enhance your English speaking skills. Keep practicing, stay curious, and, most importantly, have fun with the language. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.